This is one homemade mix that you are going to want to have on your shelf, especially as we move into the busyness of the holidays. But honestly, this is something that I rely on all year long here on our homestead. So one of the secrets to making a homemade cake mix that is similar in texture to store-bought, but without all of the junk, is to make an easy substitution. Instead of just using regular flour, we are going to make cake flour, which is super easy to do. You can use regular all-purpose flour. You don't have to use pastry flour. And one simple ingredient, and that is cornstarch. Now, today's video is sponsored by Azure Standard. And here I have my organic cornstarch, which is one of the Azure Market brands. You can order from Azure Standard online. They have lots of different ship points across the entire US, but I love their product line. It's one I've been using for a number of years because it all meets my standards of either being organic, from small farms, non-GMO. I feel like it's a product I can trust. And the great thing is you can get it in smaller amounts. This is a 1 pound bag size of cornstarch, but they also allow you to buy up in large amounts of bulk. So it's really easy to keep your pantry stocked, including your food storage. And if you are a first-time customer, with an order of $50 or more, use coupon code Melissa10 and you'll get 10% off your first order. So to make cake flour, we are going to put 2 tablespoons in the bottom of our 1 cup, and then we're going to fill the rest of this with our all-purpose flour. And this is just unbleached organic all-purpose flour. And now that we've got this, we're just going to go like this. This is fairly flat to make sure that this is even. So here is our first cup of cake flour. And we're just going to put that right into our jar. And then for making this cake mix in the jar, we are going to be doing 1.5 cups of cake flour. So on this second one for the half cup, obviously you're just going to half that, and it's 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. There we go. And now we are 3/4 cup of sugar, and this is just an organic cane sugar from Azure Standard. And then it is a teaspoon of baking powder. And big surprise, this is also from Azure Standard. I just keep a big bag in the back and then have my bulk in the cupboard. Or excuse me, the bulk is in the back. I have a smaller amount in the jar in the cupboard. So here is our teaspoon of baking powder. And then it is just 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then we are just gonna stir and mix all of these ingredients up. And so this is just a basic white cake recipe, but it's really easy to also turn this into a chocolate cake mix. Obviously you'd be adding in cocoa powder and adjusting the flour ratio. And I do have written recipes where you can print out of both the chocolate cake mix in a jar as well as this white cake mix in a jar. And you can, in the video description beneath this video, you will see a link to those on the website, so you can go and grab those, as well as the tags that tell you how much egg, oil, and liquid, etc. to add to these to actually make them into a cake. So this is all mixed up, and then we're just going to put our lid on that like this. And then there you have a cake mix that is shelf stable and ready to go. And I like to have these on hand. Obviously I keep all of the ingredients on hand so I could easily pull these out, but this is great during the holidays when you're really busy and you just want something that's quick, easy to grab. They make excellent gifts. And especially if you had kids that they're learning how to cook, it's really nice to have some of these cake mixes on hand because it's a great learning tool for them to grab one, learn to add the ingredients to that, even to make these themselves. So I love to have these on hand for fast nights when I just need a quick dessert and I don't have a lot of time, but I don't have to worry about sacrificing it by buying store-bought ones that usually have ingredients I'm not so crazy about. Plus, it is much cheaper to make these yourself at home from just stocking these basic ingredients. And we are now going to turn this, you can catch that on our next video, into a delicious homemade dump cake that you will probably never go back to making regular fruit cobblers again after you make a dump cake, because they are delicious and incredibly fast, and they use our homemade cake mix.